Nah, how you doing? Good.
Ya.
Gimana perjalanannya? Speaking Indonesia fluently?
Ya, sedikit.
Sedikit?
Saya coba belajar.
Right. Okay. Welcome to Madura, Tebo. How's your trip there? From Bandung to...
Yeah, it was good. 11 jam di kereta dari Bandung to Surabaya.
Surabaya, and then?
Yeah.
You helmet here?
Yeah.
Is it okay? I'm videoing you?
Yeah.
Have a seat, please. This is my friends. He spent the night here. Just put inside. So only 2 bags you bring?
Yeah.
Okay.
One for video. One for clothing.
Clothes. Yeah. You bring drone?
Yeah.
What drone do you have?
I will show you.
All right. Have a seat here. Downstairs, floor or chair? Up to you. Which one do you like? Yeah. So your room will be in here.
Yes.
You put your stuff here later on. Actually, this is for my. Actually, I'm an English teacher.
Oh.
Yeah. Sekolah and English teachers and hotel teachers for preparing my students to work on boards.
Yeah. Okay.
So actually, this is one for the practice room for the making bed. But because of you, I prepare for you. You can sleep in my little hotel.
Thank you very much.
But there is a problem. The window is broken. It's only one. But don't worry, it's safe in here.
Here it's hot, so
yeah.
No problem.
Have a seat. Table. Oke, hari ini saya ada tamu dari French ya?
Ya,
dari Prancis, namanya adalah Thibaut, right?
Ya.
Thibaut. Hari ini Thibaut akan tinggal di sini. Kita akan explore tentang Madura, Karapan Sapi ya?
Ya, budaya Madura.
Budaya Madura, Thibaut. Cuman hari ini jadwal kita akan ke Probolinggo ya?
Ya.
Karena kebetulan hari ini tanggal 27 itu ada lomba Karapan Sapi sampai tanggal 28. Habis itu nanti tanggal 28 kita kembali ke Madura untuk melihat to see how to take care of Karapan Sapi and training tuh juga latihannya juga. Itulah a day in my life with Thibaut. Have a seat, Thibaut. Yeah. So actually this is a class.
Yeah. So you don't have students today?
No, for today is on starting Monday to Thursday.
Yeah.
Only 4 days we have a class in here.
Okay.
Hari ini tanggal 27 Februari 2024 saya dengan Thibaut, right Thibaut?
Yeah.
From France, dari negara Prancis, jauh-jauh dari negara Prancis untuk to see the bull races ya?
Yeah.
To make what is that? Video?
Video, a documentary about budaya Madura dan Karapan Sapi.
Karapan Sapi. That's great. Jadi hari ini saya dengan Thibaut kebetulan karena di Madura itu belum ada Karapan Sapi. Kebetulan di Probolinggo sekarang ada Karapan Sapi Madura. Jadi saya mau bawa Thibaut ke Probolinggo hari ini bersama Black Spadi. We ride the bike.
Yeah.
You wanna say something to my subscribers? Subscribe, like, and delete.
And come to Madura.
Yeah, okay, that's great. Ya, ikuti terus perjalanan saya dengan Thibaut from France to go to Bromo ya, Probolinggo.
Probolinggo ya.
After bull race, we going to Bromo ya.
Yeah.
Alright, have fun. Yuk, terus ikuti perjalanan YouTuber Lokos bersama Thibaut ke Probolinggo untuk melihat dan mendokumentasikan salah satu budaya yang ada di Pulau Madura, yaitu Karapan Sapi. Boom.
Siap.